नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज JV and Dr. Meenakshi Soni, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Department of Homeopathic Repertory, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Digital version 2.0. Today our topic is part 2 of study mind section. Previously, we will discuss the mind rubric and meanings of the rubrics. Today, we are taking other rubrics and the meaning of the rubrics. First rubric is brooding. Sitting up on eggs to remain settled over something, to dwell in their mind for a long time on one subject, usually a negative thought, a continued distressed feeling in the mind created by disturbance of the emotional level. अगर उसके इमोशनल लेवल पे कोई डिस्टरबेंस हो रहा है या किसी वजह से उसको नेगेटिव थॉट्स आते हैं तो ब्रूडिंग मीन्स गुनगुनाने टाइप की वो हरकत करेगा एनी वन सब्जेक्ट, किसी भी एक सब्जेक्ट को लेकर. सेकेंड इज बफूनरी, irrational behavior, lacking in judgment, consideration, intelligence and foolish behavior. पेशेंट का बिहेवियर जो रहता है वो एकदम बच्चों टाइप का होता है, उसमें कोई जजमेंट करने की कैपेबिलिटी नहीं होती है. उसका बिहेवियर जो रहेगा वो एक विदाउट एनी जजमेंट रहेगा. दिस इज द buffoonery. The behavior is so strange that he can judge to be in the state of delirium, and while talking he has no regards to the position or status of the person he is talking with. He may go on the talking by which his action. Third is idiocy, is worse than imbecility, IQ much lower, just like a dwarfism patients, a condition of subnormal intellectual development or ability marked by intelligence in the lowest measurable range, commonly due to incomplete abnormal development of the brain, usually congenital or due to arrest or development following disease or injury in early childhood. The difference between idiocy and foolish behavior is that the former is due to deficiency or under development of brain, while the latter has no deficiency of brain. Stupidity, an unintelligent behavior or action which can be easily judged by somebody. They are dull from intellectual side and they are not doing such act deliberately. For example, a person is watering the plant and during this time some gust come to the house. The path was narrow but he does not stop the spray and resulting in the wetting the cloth of gust, and they call him a stupid. Vivacious, having a vigorous power of life, full of animation and spirit. She is so enthusiastic about life that she always remain in a happy mood. If he find anybody in distressing condition, he will console him that nothing wrongly will happen, as he is also faced many difficulties and yet he or she is happy. A young beautiful girl who is full of life and active, always being fun and always in a cheerful and jovial mood, involving other around her in gaiety and fun. So that is the vivacious. Busy, occupied or engaged in action, being constantly engaged about something. These patients are always engaged or occupied in their respective work. Most of the time, they are not diverted unless disturbed. Compare with industrious disposition to be constantly, regularly, or habitually occupied. Certain type of individual can never be satisfied when they are unoccupied. Even he is unable to do any physical work due to illness. He has a desire to do many pending jobs. These people always take on some work in their free time, even in ill health, but in many times this work was fruitless also. Calmness. Next rubric, here the person is extremely free from agitation, excitement, hurry, a state of repose and freedom from turmoil, agitation. Compare with mildness, gentle nature, a behavior characterized by kindness and sooth behavior. Others are generally making a reference that he is a very mild person and he is helpful to all. They can never offend or behave harshly to others. Calumniate, to utter false statement, charges on imputations in order to impair the public reputation of person, and like the common false statement and allegations made by politicians against the leader of the opposite party. It is a personality disorder. Compare with gossiping, indulging in the rumor or talk of personal, intimate, and often sensational nature, a meeting of friendly talk for the entertainment of each other without a specific purpose, since talk may be include rumors, view of somebody, some information behind the scene about the doing of others. So thank you. Hope you are understand these rubrics and the types of rubric, and how to mean the rubric, and how to search out in the section of mind section. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. Thank you.